A seaplane has beam of 5 unit. Then estimate the step size required for given seaplane. A 0.25 unit. B 9 unit. C 1.2 unit. D 4.6 unit. The correct answer is 0.25 unit. Evaluate width of the wheel if weight carried by it is 200 unit. Consider general aviation aircraft. A 3.73 unit. B 9 unit. C 7 unit. D 9.7 unit. The correct answer is 3.73 unit. Let us consider we want to design a seaplane which has the deadrise angle of 10. Then what should be the stall speed in miles per hour? A 40 miles per hour. B 89 miles per hour. C 10 miles per hour. D 21.9 miles per hour. The correct answer is 40 miles per hour. A general aviation aircraft has impact weight on wheel about 100 unit. Find the required diameter. A 7.53 unit. B 9.753 unit. C 10.98 unit. D 11 unit. The correct answer is 7.53 unit. If a seaplane has velocity at stall as v mph, then what will be the value of deadrise angle? A deadrise 0.5 v 20 degree. B deadrise 0.5 v 20 degree. C deadrise 0.5 v degree. D deadrise 0.5 v 220 degree. The correct answer is deadrise 0.5 v 20 degree. Which of the following is an example of seaplane? A. This NC. B. A 321 Neo. C. Voodoo. D. Cessna 172. The correct answer is this NC. Typically seaplanes can be categorized as A. Float planes, flying boat, etc. B. Float planes only. C. Flying boat only. D. Aerostats only. The correct answer is float planes, flying boat, etc. For higher landing speed, deadrise angle should be A. Higher. B. Lower. C. Lowest. D. Independent of speed. The correct answer is higher. Most of the seaplane is designed with A. V-shaped bottom. B. H-bottom. C. V-shaped bottom only. D. Flat bottom only. The correct answer is V-shaped bottom. Only dynamic loading should be used for determining the nose wheel tire sizing. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. None of the seaplanes can ever land on airfields. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The hull of seaplane is based on the planning hull concept. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.